everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I'm here planning for the week of February 14th through the 20th. So this is Valentine's week, and since my whole February is pretty much pink and red themed, obviously I had to go pretty hard on Valentine's themed for the actual week of Valentine's Day. So I have this kit from Planner One Love. It's called Happy Valentine. It's a 2 full 8.5 by 11 page kit with lots of full boxes, check boxes, everything I need. In fact, I'm going to try to do this entire spread, at least for the setup, without any extras. So we'll see how far I can get. But I think we're going to be able to make it. So that's my plan. I didn't pull anything else. I'm just going to make it work. So my plan is to put down the headers. I'm going to do today along the top, then the pink in the middle, and then to do on the bottom. I'm going to stick down these full box checklists. I'm going to stick down the bottom washi. I'm going to stick down the washi banner. I think that's all I'm going to do before we chat. But that's my plan. I'm going to put all those things down, kind of speed you through all of those boring bits, and then we can come back and do all the interesting bits. So I'll be back in just a second. All right, that just took roughly 100 years, and it's because I hate this sticker paper. It doesn't cut properly. It's pretty terrible. I'm gonna use it because I have to, but I'm like super frustrated by it. So you're probably gonna have to watch me cut basically everything, but I'm gonna try to do everything as fast as I can. There are 10 full boxes here. I only need 8. I'm gonna skip the 2 pink ones. Just because they seem like the most versatile for other places, in my opinion. So that's my plan. My plan is to use this one that says Happy Valentine as my quote box, which I'm going to have to cut out again. I also can't use a ruler because it apparently won't let me cut deep enough if I use a ruler. I don't understand why this sticker paper is acting like this, but I hate it. So yeah, that's where we're at. But it looks cute, except for the fact that I'm like super frustrated. So I think I want to use the one that says Love and Joy. Is there like any chance? No, there's like a 0% chance that any of these are going to pick up on their own. So I'm going to use this one that says Love and Joy. This is my like Thursday, midweek, whatever. I don't know why the sticker paper is acting like this. It's not even like thicker than the last stuff, but for some reason it's acting this way. This one that says February 14th is obviously going to go on February 14th, as you might anticipate. So this is going to be the one that I use for Valentine's Day. I'm not going to list Valentine's Day on here as well, given the fact that it's like very clearly going to be Valentine's Day. I feel like I don't need to include more. All of these look not the way I want them to because they're not cutting well. And I can't fix it. Maybe I'm just gonna get like an actual X-Acto blade out and stop using my slice tool so that I can still use a ruler, because an X-Acto blade would be longer. I'm just dividing up the black ones so that they spread out. And then I guess I'll do the 2 white ones. But yeah, I'm like super annoyed by this because my regular sticker paper was out of stock at Amazon. So I bought this stuff instead. And I thought last week, I was like, oh, well, maybe I'm just not good at this sticker paper yet because, you know, it was new and whatever. But this is now my second week using it. And I can tell you that it is pretty terrible. I don't even know what brand it is, so I can't even like properly steer you guys away from it. Because it just came with like 100 sheets of sticker paper in a plastic bag and like nothing else. So I'm very, very frustrated. Okay, so I think I'm gonna stick the little key guys here. And here. And then the 2 red ones. I think I'm gonna stick Be My Valentine here. I know it's not Valentine's Day, but it's closer to Valentine's Day than Friday is. But that's gonna be my strategy. There we go. Okay, so that's down. It's looking okay, even if I'm like super frustrated by literally everything. To start off, we have a This Week header, which I'm going to have to cut again because that's what's happening. For literally everything. This week, I don't think there's really too much going on. We're not doing anything major for Valentine's Day. By the time you guys see this video, you'll have seen that we, well, it's in the future for me, but it's in the past for you guys. We're going / went away over the previous weekend. I think I'm going to use both habit trackers because why not? Assuming I can get them out of here. So we're not really doing anything for actual Valentine's Day. Also Monday night, not a great night for doing activities since we have like the whole week ahead of us that we need to be mentally prepared for. So we'll probably just do something at home. Honestly, even getting takeout is very difficult to do around us on Valentine's Day, because it seems like everybody and their brother wants to go out. So there's that. Now this is in like the wrong order. Because that leaves a hydration tracker next to another red one. Will these pick up? They're not going to pick up great, so we're just going to go with it, even though I should have been planning better. I'm just cutting this that I like hold off because I'm sick of this. So I'm just going to leave a gap here because I don't really need the space, so might as well. Well, this like half cut, okay. I'm just cleaning the scrappy scraps off my scissors so that I can collect more scrappy scraps on my scissors. Just have like a pile of little sticky bits now. I'm just going to do the hydration tracker here, and then I have this space down here. I think I'm just going to do like this cute little bird guy. And then maybe take one of these little hearts if I can get it out and just stick it right there. There, that looks really cute. All right, so that's done. On to the daily plans. Big thing, as you might expect, is work. That's mostly all I do, I feel like. So I'm just going to use these little flags if I can get them out. Scrappy scraps everywhere. Okay. I'm just going to use the little flags to mark work for each day. I'm just going to kind of divide up the colors as best I can so that they're not too matchy-matchy with whatever is going on in the full boxes. So Monday, Tuesday, it's a pretty busy week for work. So I think I'm going to be pretty mentally drained as well at the end of each day. So another reason literally nothing's going to happen. Well, this matches the box. Whatever. It's going to be fine. And then I wanted to stick in to mark my plan with me is going up / went up, whatever. Maybe I'll use this guy. If I can trim it so that it'll come out. I'm just going to use these little like quarter box, third box. I don't know what size these are. But they have like little deco on them already, which seems kind of cute. So I'm just going to stick that right there. There we go. Done with Monday. For Tuesday, I'm also just going to be using boxes for curling this week. Since I'm trying to just use as much of the kit as possible. These kits are so huge that I see no reason to try to like do other things. So I'm going to stick that down. I think this one's an early game. I'm trying to decide what I'm going to use. Maybe I'll use this little candy cracker guy to mark it. Sure, there we go. Wednesday, nothing is happening in the evening as far as I'm aware, at least at this point. So yeah, and then I'm just going to use another red one. I know this is 2 reds in a row, but I think it's going to look fine when everything is put together. For whichever night we do something that resembles date night, I'll probably use this little wine glasses. There we go, that marks work. And then the last one is going to be this one, this black one. Stick down the scrippy scraps. There's so many of them everywhere. Okay. And that one for Friday. Okay, and then I want to use for Thursday, I guess I will cut this guy. Since apparently I have to cut everything out twice. I'm going to try to figure out so that I don't have to do this for next week because it's really annoying. I'm going to stick this one down, and then I'm going to use the little polar bear guy because he's really cute. There we go. And then Friday, I'm going to use, I guess I could use this like red one maybe. I'm going to post a video. I think this one is going to be my March Kit Life setup, but I'm not totally sure what it's going to be. All right, there we go. And then like usual, the weekend, I have no idea what's going on. All right, I'm gonna put everything away now. Pull off the scrippy scraps. And this is where we're currently standing. So it's looking cute, even if I'm really frustrated with actually getting anything done. But stick around for just a second and you can see the finished spread. All right, here is the finished spread. I think it turned out super cute. As usually happens, there are a ton of leftovers from the Planner One Love kit, a couple full boxes, a bunch of functionals on both these pages. So I'm just gonna throw those in my leftovers, which desperately need to be sorted. And yeah, I'm just gonna leave it at that. This week is a little bit strange in terms of my finished week stuff because literally everything came from the kit. I didn't add anything else. So it's just stuff from the Planner One Love kit in my recollections, and that's the whole week. So I don't really have anything else to talk about today. We did have the Olympics finish up, so that was really fun. So let me know down below what your favorite sport was to watch. I would love to hear about that. We really like ski aerials and then curling, of course, since we curl. And then also please like and subscribe below if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. It helps me out, and I love to hear that you guys are enjoying my videos. And then follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz to see in progress and finished spreads. I tag all the shops, all that good stuff. And until next time, bye.